So here we got something to do with solar panels. I've just taken one apart and they are very, very heavy. So I'll take this apart. There's no gold in there, but there's a hell of a lot of aluminium. Yep. These are all brass plugs. These are graphite. And these are copper wiring. That's also aluminium. So them two bits there, it's a kilo, just them two bits. This bit is, I would say, stainless steel. that's aluminium. That's 2.5 kilos there. So this is a circuit board. Some wire. That's a piece of steel there. We got a circuit board and we got copper, 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 or graphite. More copper there. These are probably switches that probably have silver in them. There'll be silver in these. Battery. Yeah, I can't see any visible gold or anything that might have gold in it. Anyway, that's one board. There's a fan. This is how I strip the fans. Oh no, I won't do that one because it's going to take a while. It's got metal casing. Another circuit board. Not working that one at all. Another circuit board. Got a few chips there, but it's like they're full of silicone. It's full of, you've got a coating or something over it. But they might have gold bonding wires in there. Unplug these from the board. These slide out. They did in the other one. That's aluminium as well. So these are full of copper, aluminium, but not a lot else. Really, not very good balls, really. Different than the other one, because it had 2 in each one. That's heavy, that's copper and graphite and more copper wiring. That's really heavy. Alright, let's unscrew this one. Easier said than done. That is steel. Let's get these screws out of here. Sort them out in a minute. And this is just all plastic. That is it, basically stripped. So that is all aluminium. All the way. Let's see what that weighs all together. So that's maxed out. It's 5 kilos. It's just made it to the end of the scale. And then we got this, which is a base, I think. Maybe 5 kilos as well, or more. Oh look, well it's gone over 5 kilos, so there's over 10 kilos of aluminium there. Very scrappy. And that's it for now. This is a little update on these inverters. I think they're inverters for the solar panels. So this is two different systems that came in from two different people, I think, but they're pretty similar. One was a little bit newer, I think, than the other, but they got the same problem. So after I stripped it and looked at the back, you can see where it's blown out on that one and that one, exactly the same. And that is this thing here on both of them. So that's some kind of a relay switch. So I'll try and break it open, show you. There'll just be a switch in there with some silver on it, and a copper, a reel. That's it there. I'll have to put this down just to open it up. So I'm just gonna crush it with the grips. This one was a bit tough to open. Alright, so I've got that open, and that is it there. Somehow that failed. It came off of there. It could have been both of them or one of them. But there's your copper spoil on there. There's your little switch, and if you can see, it's got two little dots of silver in there. Don't think you can see, but yeah, there's two little dots of silver and some brass and copper. Yeah, so I don't know if it's a common thing with these inverters, but they both definitely had the same problem in exactly the same place. And that could have probably been like a £10 repair for I don't know how much these are to buy second hand, £100, maybe £200. But anyway, it was thrown out and that was the problem. So I'm going to strip these and that will end my video. Thanks for watching.